Yeah, baby. It's your boy Gears of Snore. We're up here in Dingmans Ferry, PA. We just turned off Milford Road. I have no idea where we are, nor do I give a crap. Lemon. Lehman. Or it might be Lehman. I don't know. Bit of a turd. I'm out here trying to get Thomas Ferdy. See, I said it right, Tom. Let's see if I can. Rather not be doing this on ride, but this is still Milford Road. My God, the ride up here, I'd come just for Milford Road. Fantastic! If you like my videos, if you'd be kind... Oh, maybe I better slow that down. If you'd be kind enough to give it the thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. I did not expect this day to turn into more than one video, but man, I mean, look at this road. This is unreal. Something else, man. After all this rain, we got a nice 3 friggin' days, beautiful days. And the first day we're out here, it just... surprised might be the understatement here. Understatement of the year. This has been here the whole time. I didn't know. And Ken lived up here for a while, and he's like, "Oh, wait till we go down this other road. It's the same but wider." So I was like, "Crap, make another video." What a friggin' day. And I filmed this on the 4th of July too. To be out here on this day where we're celebrating our independence, exploring the beautiful roads of Pennsylvania, like, I can't think of any other way to spend the 4th of July. And I honestly feel like Milford Road in Dingmans Ferry in Milford, PA was built for adventure bikes and for Big Sheila and Big Brenda. By the way, Big Brenda is very fast and has motorcycle tires on the front. And look at the size of those tires in the back. And he has brake lights now, which is nice. This clown in the Tesla with Connecticut plates. I don't want to go any faster, and I don't want to move over. Oh, Jesus. I'll tell you what. You keep doing what I think you're doing, there's going to be a stern talking to. See, this I appreciate. Pulling off so faster traffic can get by you. That's the way to do it. Play your guitar on the MTV. Won't you do it? So what do you guys think, huh? What do you guys think about Milford Road? Pretty nice, right? I'm like, you know, I was talking to Ken before, I'm like, I honestly think whoever built these roads had a sports car or motorcycles in mind. There's no way they didn't. I mean, this is just fantastic. We caught this a few minutes out from Romans. It's a long road. But I mean, look at this. Not a good idea, bud. despise was the taillights on the street glide and road glide like that. I had the electric glide 22, which was a street glide without electronics, and it had like a, I don't know if you call it like a traditional rear tail light. That always scared the hell out of me, like somebody who's not going to see it. Yeah, fantastic. This is just fantastic. It really is. I said the word twice, so you know it's good. Oh, this dude's out here with his wife. Or girlfriend. Or friend. Or best friend. Or gaming partner. Any one of those. I'm surprised I don't have anything for her to lean her back on. Like they call it a sissy bar or whatever. Man, just wanted to bring you some more route Milford Road. I guess we can make that the topic of today's video. You ever been out in an area you're familiar with, and you just go a different way and you find something like this, which is fantastic? That's the third time. You know what? I'm gonna hit that freaking bell for each time I say fantastic. Wouldn't that be fantastic? It only takes one person to screw up the flow and slow everything down, and that person is up there in the blue Scion. That's what we call a little ass finch. Yeah, kind of wild, right? You just stumble on something that was there this whole time. You just never went that route and experienced it. And if you made it this far, ladies and gentlemen, kids, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. I drop these every 3 p.m.-ish. I should say I drop these 3 p.m.-ish every Friday. I thank you for coming along with the ride today. Coming along with me for the ride today, as I'm having a hard time talking. And I hope to see you back next week. Happy 4th of July, guys.